I started caulking. This top window was always meant to be a fixed window because down here, this is solid here. Now, maybe there was a board put in there, but it was put in there a long time ago. So pushing this up, and then I'm caulking it right in, which is what I would think someone would have done earlier, but they didn't. This cuts down a lot of cold air coming through there. Anytime you have a crack through there, that's just cold air coming straight in. Well, maybe not straight, but definitely coming in. So here, I didn't notice any triangles holding the glass in at the bottom. No, I did do some at the sides here. Or no, I'm sorry, down here I did some. The top was okay. I put 3 in. So I put 1 in here because I didn't see any on the bottom. Basically just a little triangle of aluminum, and then gently put the screwdriver on here and kind of wiggle it to work it into the wood. And now I'm going to caulk straight across there and even it out with my finger. And then I'm going to do the bottom. Now here I'm not going to caulk this because this window needs to move. So we'll only be caulking this. Okay, let's finish it up and then we'll do the inside. Same thing on the inside. We'll caulk the top solid and the bottom one only where the glass is.